Selling a laptop on eBay is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can sell a laptop on eBay. In order to do that, you have to be at the Google. And in the Google, you simply have to search for eBay sell. After that, you have to go to this website, which is ebay.com/sell. Now, this is official eBay's website. As you guys can see, it is eBay selling. Now, here you simply have to click on this list an item. As you guys can see, you can learn the basic. Just list your item, get setup production, choose when you get paid. So you can, do these steps. So in order to get started, you just simply have to, click on list an item. It will take you to a new page where you simply have to search for laptop. Now, after searching for laptop, as you guys can see, you just simply have to click on laptop computers. And after that, I'm just going to search for. Now here, as you guys can see, these are all the products, or these are all the laptops. You can be specific as well. Suppose if you are selling this laptop, you can select that and you won't have to add any further information. These information will automatically be added. But I'm just going to click on continue without match. Here you have to add if your item is new, open box. I'm just going to select new. And there it will want you to log in. So you just need to log in, and it will want you to add the all the remaining details. After that, your product will be live on eBay. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.